If any dish in India is loved by one and all, it's biryani. Every region has their own version of biryani, and today what you are making is Hyderabadi Kachche Murgh Biriyani or Hyderabadi chicken biryani. And as you can see, each grain of rice is fluffy and loaded with flavors. And this biryani is very easy to make because it has a very sublime and subtle flavor, and this is cooked in one pot. Yes, we are cooking the chicken raw and rice in one pot. Very easy and very tasty. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel So's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my page, do not forget to subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and supporting me so much. So let's start with the ingredients first. I have taken here 3 large onions. I have finely sliced them and I have deep fried them to such extent that it is just golden brown, because this onions gives a very nice flavor to the biryani. So these are fried onions for biryani and it should be done with utmost care. Then ginger garlic paste I have taken here around 3 tablespoons. Red chilli powder 1 tablespoon and turmeric powder I have taken here 1 teaspoon. And lemon I have taken here 2 lemon. And then I have taken curd around 300 grams. The only moisture this biryani gets is from curd and the chicken itself. And then some mint leaves around half cup. Chopped coriander leaves I have taken here around 3/4 cup. And some green chilies, I have slitted them in half around 8 to 10, say in this way. And then I'll take some whole spices. Some I'll use for marination and some to boil the rice. So I have taken here 2 black cardamom, 7 to 8 green cardamom or elaichi, 10 cloves I have taken here. Shah Jeera or caraway seeds I have taken here around 1 tablespoon. Black pepper 1 tablespoon and 1 mace or Javitri I have taken. I could not record that. So then I have taken some fried cashews and raisins, 1 to 2 tablespoon each, completely depends upon your choice. And then to most flavoring agent, rose water around 1 tablespoon and Keora Water around 1 teaspoon. This would give a very nice aroma to our biryani. And the fried onion oil, the oil in which we had fried the onions, that I have taken around half cup. This flavored oil adds to the taste of biryani. And biryani masala, you can take the ones available in the market around 3 tablespoon, or I have my own homemade biryani masala. I'll give the link in the description box. Salt according to our taste and clarified butter or ghee around 3 tablespoon. 2 pinch of saffron and 1/4 cup of milk. A warm milk will just soak the saffron in the milk. And here I have taken rice around 2 cups or 250 grams. We'll soak them for good half an hour. Half an hour is minimum, and if you soak for 1 hour it's okay. And first wash it and then soak. Chicken I have taken here 600 grams, cut into a bit larger size pieces, and I have just added some turmeric powder and then I have just washed them. To it I'll add the ginger garlic paste, then some red chilli powder and the whole spices. Some I'll add in this chicken and some to boil the water. So there goes some cinnamon sticks, some cloves, 2 to 3 cardamom, 1 to 2 bay leaves, and then goes half of coriander and mint leaves. And I'll squeeze here 1 lemon. We are actually flavoring this chicken for the biryani. And then goes turmeric powder and the fried onions. Use half of the fried onions at this stage and leave the other half. Adjust salt according to your taste. And now the biryani masala powder. I have taken here 3 tablespoons, add 2 tablespoons and leave 1 tablespoon. Mix all this to the chicken nicely so that it coats the chicken very well. And chicken looks good now. At this stage, add curd and the flavored oil. So adding curd and oil after mixing the dry spices will enhance the flavor of the chicken, because the dry spices have already coated the chicken and then we are using curd and oil. So now mix everything nicely. And now cover the chicken and let it rest for good 1 hour in your fridge. All the spices will give the chicken a nice flavor, so it's very important to marinate this chicken. And now meanwhile I'll soak this rice. First I'll wash it 2 to 3 times and then I'll soak it. As I am showing you, I have used this glass. This is my normal measurement glass, and make sure you first wash this rice and then you soak it, because after soaking you cannot wash the rice, the grains will break. So it's now already 1 hour. So first I have here taken a good 1 to 2 liters of water, and then to it I'll add all the spices, dry spices, remaining dry spices, and Shah Jeera I will add 80% and leave the rest 20%, and 2 spoonful of salt I'll add at this stage. The salt should be a bit high at this stage, and now let it cover and bring to a boil. My water is boiling now, and now add the soaked rice and squeeze half lemon at this stage. The lemon will make the rice grains more fluffier and separate from each other. Mix gently and now cover. We need to cook this rice on high flame, and we need to cook it to be done just 80%. Rice is a very integral part of biryani, so make sure you cook the rice to perfection, and it will take around 8 to 9 minutes. So depends upon the quality of your rice, of course. I'll just show you one grain. The grain is nicely elongated, you can see, yet it's a bit stiff at the center. So this is perfect. Now strain the rice in a strainer and allow it to cool in a flat surface. I have used a thali here, so the excess steam should escape. Meanwhile, my chicken has been marinating for good 1 hour, and I'll show you how beautifully this has marinated. It is looking so nice. The colors, the flavor, the masala, all the chicken has absorbed nicely. Now we need to cook it. As it's Hyderabadi biryani, so we'll directly put in the pan in which we'll cook our biryani. So there goes my chicken at the base of the pan. Spread the chicken evenly. I have used a deep pan here, so I have now just nicely spreaded it. Then I'll add the fried onions, a nice layer I'll sprinkle it. Then goes some mint leaves and coriander leaves, and then I'll sprinkle some biryani masala powder and few green chilies. We will now make layer of rice. You can either make one layer, but I have a little more rice, so I'll make 2 layers. And then goes half of the cooked rice, see, in this way. And now some fried onions on the top of the rice, spread evenly. Then goes a sprinkle of biryani masala powder, few coriander leaves and mint leaves, some cashews and raisins. And then, as I had said, I had made a kesar milk or saffron milk, so I'll add around 1 to 2 spoons. Saffron or kesar gives a very nice flavor, a very nice aroma, but if you do not have, you can always use organic food color. Now my first layer is done here. Then goes second layer of rice. If you have less amount of rice, you can always just make 1 layer chicken and the rice, but here I have done 2 layers. Then I have sprinkled the saffron water, some fried onions, and again the same procedure, some mint and coriander, and then goes the final layer of cashews and raisins. And now comes the Keora water and the rose water. And to give this biryani a nice moisture and nice flavor, I have added clarified butter or ghee. We will not add any extra water or any extra liquid. Yes, this biryani will be cooked from the moisture of the curd and the chicken itself. So now my biryani is done here. Either you can cover this with a foil, and then I have used a cotton cloth to wrap the cover, and I will put some heavy objects on the top. This is one process to seal this biryani pot. Second process is you make a dough of normal whole wheat flour and use the dough to seal the sides of the pot. So either way you can seal this biryani pot, but make sure you seal this biryani pot properly. No steam should escape. And after sealing, place this biryani pot on high heat for good 5 to 6 minutes, and meanwhile heat a tawa, and after 5 to 6 minutes place this biryani pot on the tawa and reduce the flame to low medium and let it cook for good half an hour. And after half an hour, just turn off the flame and let it rest for good 30 to 45 minutes. Yes, give the biryani a resting time, and after 30 to 45 minutes Carefully open the cover, let the steam escape, and then you will be amazed by the beautiful aromatic flavors of this Hyderabadi Kachche Biryani. You can see how beautiful my biryani is looking, and I always use a plate to take out the biryani from the sides. Never mix the biryani rice. The biryani should be always in 2 to 3 layers, the masala rice, the white rice, and the succulent chicken pieces. Here I'll show you one of the chicken pieces. See how beautifully the chicken pieces are tender, they are moist and very nice, they have cooked. So this is the magic of Indian dum style cooking. So our nice flavorful aromatic Hyderabadi Kachche chicken biryani or murg biryani is ready. You can see each grain of rice is flavored and nicely cooked. The rice that I had shown you was a little raw, and see this rice, it's perfect. So our very flavorful chicken dum biryani is ready. Just to keep in mind few things that I have already said in this video. Do give this recipe a try. You will love them, and give me your feedback. If you have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.